The Enerpac Chicago type bender is designed for bending 1/2 inch to 1 inch rigid metal conduit (RMC). It is a handheld, portable tool that uses a hydraulic ram to apply force to the conduit. It features a ratcheting handle that allows for continuous bending without having to reset the ram. The Greenlee 1800 is also a Chicago type bender designed for bending 1/2 inch to 1 inch RMC. Both the Enerpac and Greenlee benders use a hydraulic ram and ratcheting handle. However, there may be some differences in the specific design and features of the two models. Unfortunately, it seems that Enerpac no longer produces the Chicago type bender and the original manual is difficult to find. As an alternative, you can try contacting Enerpac directly. They may be able to provide you with a copy of the manual or suggest alternative resources. Check online marketplaces. You may be able to find a used copy of the manual for sale on platforms like eBay or Amazon. You may also refer to the Greenlee 1800 manual. While it may not be an exact match, the Greenlee manual can provide general guidance on how to operate a Chicago type bender safely and effectively. Make sure the bender you purchase is in good working condition. If possible, test it out before buying. Use the proper bending shoes for the size of conduit you are working with. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure safe and accurate bending. At $50, the Enerpac Chicago type bender could be a good deal if it is in decent condition. However, keep in mind that finding a manual for it may be a challenge.